Hello YouTube, we're using a little different camera today. It's my little power shot I got at the thrift store. If you remember, it's a real small pocket camera. Just for the fun of it, haven't used it for a while. I did use it at the car wash and I had it on a different video mode. You'll see that video. You've probably already seen it for this one. I had it where it looks square. I think I got an HD now. Okay, we're going to replace these. I will give you a link to the original video, if I remember. The model of this head is 3600. The blades are 3610. Okay, so they made that easy. Okay, this was stuck. I could not get this off. I did not grease the bolt. I've had this off once. Do not use vice grips. I use this. Okay, then what I did is I stuck the screwdriver in here. So I went like, say like that. And then I gave it a good old, think you know what I mean? Okay. Someone asked me how you change these blades, and I tried explaining it to them. All you do, it's greased now. And it was stuck. I read in a comment watching on someone else's video, these things get hot, the bolt gets hot. You see where that's shifted in there? I've used these, you can tell these are really junk. I was hitting metal wagon wheels. I was hitting everything. Concrete. Well, I used them last summer and part of this summer. So all you do when you get this, all you do is just go like that. I mean, it comes apart. See that? Okay. Let's load the other blades up and then we'll be right back. Okay, it's that easy. These do look like they're bottom and the top. See how they're maintenance rated? I put the flattest side towards the bottom. So this is up. You know? That's just my opinion how they're going to cut better. If you had one backwards, it's probably going to work, but that's why I put them. See how it's made? So I'm assuming that's the bottom, the flattest. It really doesn't say that in the instructions. No, it really doesn't. But I'll take a picture of the instructions. I mean, they have different model numbers. They have heavy. I just got the light duty one. This is only like a 25cc weed eater, Yard Master. I have a video on that too. If you really want to see it, I'll give you a link to the thing. But I'll take a picture of the weed eater so you know what it is. So, thanks for watching a short little video. Kind of a no-brainer how to do it, but they get stuck. Believe me. I had a hold of that, and you'll get stuff wrapped around here. And weeds wrapped around her so bad that it was stalling it. It was actually stalling out the weed eater. Had to stop and clean them out. I mean, I was going through some rough, nasty stuff. So we're out of here. It's hot out. We're going back in air conditioning. So look for the pictures at the end.